Today we're going to be taking a look at these smart wall lights from XMCOSY. So these are fantastic, very modern looking lights. They do come in a 2-pack. They do have a couple of different designs. This is the design we're going to be looking at today. Now these can actually be connected to the XMCOSY app, which gives you full control from different colors, your brightness, your temperature of the white light. You can even set up scenes so it can change color. It can even change color to music and play along with the beat. So if you're hosting some type of party or gathering and you want to have some fun lighting, you can also use that for this. Or maybe it's holiday season and you want set up so they're actually changing colored lights for some fun festive activities. It can be connected via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and can also be used with Amazon Alexa. I'm going to get these installed on my house and take a quick look at a couple of the features. So let's go. Okay, so it is a few hours later and I do have it installed on the wall. It's a little blurry right now, it's just the brightness of the light. I am going to get a much better shot as I'm showing you the features. But what we have to do first is connect it to the XMCOSY app. Okay, once you've downloaded the app, you will want to go to add a device. If it's your first time using the app, you do have a big green button. If not, you can press the cross in the top right corner. So when you go in, it does automatically detect nearby devices and it should show the one that's connected and turned on at the moment. If not, you do have all your devices and products below that you can choose exactly which model you have. Now you do need to put the light into discover mode. With this one, you just hold down the button for 5 seconds until it starts to flash. Click add. Now you will need to be connected to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, and once it picks that up, it will start adding the device and connecting it to the app. Now if you don't have a Wi-Fi connection and it fails and you can't connect to it, you can skip it and go straight to a Bluetooth pairing. Now it's going to allow you to have local control, but it's not going to allow you to have automations and scheduling and stuff like that. Once you're in and we have complete control over the device, you can do many different things like change the brightness of the light. So you can dim it all the way down to 1% and all the way up to 100%. You can change the warmth or coolness, the temperature of the white light, depending on what you like. And again, you can just bring that down a bit. You can completely change the color if you want. If you want a certain color like green or blue. So a fun thing is you do have some preset scenes that you can choose from, or you can even create your own, like I did with this Christmas one. You can add more. You can choose if you want to flash or breathe or just static. And then you can go and choose as many different colors as you want. Create a name and save. So another fun feature is you can actually have it so it detects music and plays along and changes the light color to the beat of the music. So there is some great extra features with the app itself. So it actually allows you to control each different light that you have. So if you have 6 lights, you can actually control each individual light at a time. Now in the bottom right corner, you'll find a little section that says plan, schedule, timer, and power on behavior. So this is actually gonna allow you to set up stuff from planning a sleep plan. So when your lights will turn off, and you can actually have them fade out so it's just not abrupt turn off. So if you have these lights outside of your bedroom window and you want to mimic going into a nighttime, the sun setting, then you can actually set that up with the plan. You can set your days, your times, how long you want that fade out to be. You can also set up a wake up plan with the opposite. So a fade in to make it feel like the sun is actually rising, which is a more natural way of waking up. Now you can also set a schedule. You can choose any day of the week at whatever time, and then you can turn it on, off, on and dim, or on and set the scene. And you do have the possibility of a timer all the way from 1 minute up to 24 hours. When you have multiple lights connected via Wi-Fi, you can actually create a group. All you have to do is go into one of the lights and go to the top right, and you can then create a group and you can select however many lights you want a part of that group. That's going to give you full control of the group. You can change all your different customizations as one rather than doing individually. This is interchangeable with their different model lights. So if you have a couple of different models that you're using around your house, you can create different groups. You can collect them together if you have some in your backyard or your front yard, and you can even set up scenes. So on your homepage, you can go to the top right and you can select create scene. Now with this, you have many different options of when something happens, then an action happens. So a great feature you can do is a dusk to dawn setup. So basically you're gonna set up so at sunrise, your lights will turn off. Now you can select them as individual lights, or you can select the whole group. And then you're gonna repeat this same process at sunset, and that's when you guys set them to turn on. That way, all you have to do is have your power switched on at all times for the lights, and they're gonna just turn on automatically and off automatically for the sunset and sunrise. So XMCOSY allows you full control over their smart wall lights, and they have some great different designs, as you saw a couple in this video. It does allow you to obviously schedule wake up time, sleep time, so you can fully automate your lighting and don't have to worry about turning them on and off again. You can have complete customization as far as what colors you want it to be, what temperature you want your white light to be, and how bright you want it to be, from 1% all the way up to 100%. And of course you can connect it with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so it is capable with whatever your car situation and setup is. Now, if you are interested in the XMCOSY lights, then we are going to leave a link in the description below. Please leave a like, share this with a friend, and comment what your favorite design light was. And of course, please hit that subscribe button for some more great reviews like this one.